The green tea shooter. This one is, I would say, fairly newer. It's more of a new school shot. She is in high demand right now.
She's the it girl. Here's what you're gonna need for the green tea shot. Jameson, peach schnapps, lemon juice, simple syrup, and some Sprite. Now this shot is known to be made with Jameson, but you can use any Irish whiskey, but they might look at you crazy. So use Jameson if you have it. If not, it's fine.
Now these shots are notoriously fat. We have it in a shot glass here, but I recommend maybe putting this in a little bit of a bigger glass because you want to give the customer a bang for their buck.
They also will probably tip you because they'll think that it's more alcohol or something.
Yeah, they'll think it's more alcohol, but really it's just a fat shot. There's just a lot of stuff in it, and it's yummy.
It's a good one.
You're gonna want all of it, every last drop. First, add a ½ ounce of lemon juice. Then add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Your bar may carry sour mix. You can replace the simple syrup and lemon juice and use that instead. Make your life easier. One less bottle. Next, add 1 ounce of peach schnapps and then 1 ounce of Jameson. Give it a really good shake, strain it into your shot glass, and top it with a splash of Sprite.
Tastes like a peach summer tea.
Is this Arizona iced tea?
A little boozy-fied.
These are simple and delicious. If you want to make them at home, go to bottlerover.com and get some booze delivered to your door.